Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see, as on this topic, you can see how to master DSA, a step by step roadmap. Struggling with data structures and algorithms? Want to crack coding interviews at top tech companies but don't know where to start? Well, you are at the right place. In this video, I will share a complete roadmap to mastering DSA from scratch. No matter whether you are a beginner or someone looking to level up. So let's dive in. So before going to this, first just understand why DSA is important. Almost every major coding interview, whether it's a Google, Amazon, or Microsoft, focuses on problem solving and algorithm thinking. Not just for jobs, but DSA also helps in competitive programming, open source contributions, and even building optimized softwares. So, benefits of DSA in competitive programming, system optimization, and coding jobs, etc. Step 2, learn the fundamentals. Start with a programming language, that is C++, C, Java, or Python, and choose one and stick to it. Okay. Then master the basics like arrays, strings, linked lists, stacks, and queues. These are the building blocks. For this, you can use free resources like Geeks for Geeks, LeetCode, codeforces, codechef, etc. Also for YouTube tutorials. Step 3, master algorithms. Once you understand basic data structures, it's time for algorithms. Focus on these must topics. Focus on these must topics like sorting, searching, recursion and backtracking, dynamic programming, and graph algorithms. In sorting, you should focus on bubble, quick, and merge sort. And in searching, binary search, recursion backtracking, then dynamic programming, then graph algorithms like DFS, BFS, Discastras, etc. A great way to learn these is by solving problems on LeetCode and codeforces. Step 4, practice and practice. DSA is not about theory, it's about solving problems consistently. Follow the 3-step approach: learn, implement, solve questions. Start with easy problems, then move to medium and then hard. Okay. You may set a goal, solve at least 5 to 10 problems daily on LeetCode or codeforces. This will surely help you. Step 5, mock interviews and real world applications. For what you learned and how to apply. Once you are confident, start doing mock interviews on platforms like Pramp and InterviewBit. Also try contributing to open source projects on GitHub. Building projects using DSA concepts can also help strengthen your understanding. And that's how you can master DSA step by step. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and share for more content on coding and DSA. So comment below which DSA topic you want me to cover next. So I hope this video will be helpful for you all. Bye bye. See you in next video.